Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today, I'm going to show you my newest tool that I've received, or tool set I received. This is from WORKPRO. It is a 12-piece magnetic nut driver set. You get a little flyer just letting you know what they do. They have home and garden stuff, contractor stuff, electrician stuff, everything. Some power tools, hand tools, it's all in here. And they have pink tools. So if you know somebody that likes pink tools, like my wife does, they have that for them too. You get a nice little thank you card just letting you know that they're proud of what they build and they want you to be 100% satisfied. I really like that. When I had my shop, I used to send thank you cards out to everybody. So that's a pretty cool little personalized thing they do. Now let's get to the tool. WORKPRO 12-piece magnetic nut driver set. Comes in this nice case, seems pretty durable, nicely built. It's not really cheap and flimsy. When you open it up, here's all your nut drivers. You have metric on the bottom ranging from 8mm up to 14mm, except the 9mm, but who uses a 9? And then on the standard side, everything from 1/4 inch to 9/16. On the drivers themselves, it's very clearly written on them so you know which one is which. That's my 10mm I used. And then on the plastic side, or on the case side, embossed, I guess that would be. In the plastic you have the sizes as well, so it's really easy to see what you're looking for. Now the construction of these are made from CRV steel. CRV steel is known for being really good. These should last the test of time, and again, CRV steel is very durable. Inside each one of these is a little magnet. So you can see I have this little 12mm screw or nut, bolt, whatever it is, right here. This is left over from a repair I did, and we all know when you do a repair and you have leftover parts or nuts or bolts, you just did the job better, right? So here's an extra one. I did a job and I did it better than it was. 12mm, you can see, put it inside there, magnet holds it in place. When you're loosening something or removing a fastener, I always seem to drop the fastener after I loosen it, and I gotta go dig it and find it just so it'll hold it in place right here. These are 1/4 inch hex shank, so they'll fit perfect in a impact driver or a drill and lock in place so they won't fall out. These seem to be pretty good. I've used the 10mm maybe 4 or 5 times so far, and it's worked out great. It saved me a ton of time because every single time it held the bolt in, or the nut inside, not the nut, the bolt. What am I getting? I'm getting mixed up here. It held the bolt inside the driver, which saved me a ton of time so I didn't have to go digging for it. I really like these things. Again, they're CRV steel. It comes in a nice little organizer plastic case right here. Real easy to read the sizes on the driver bits, and standard and metric all in one set. Really good bang for your buck. I'm going to keep this in my toolbox, and I think you guys should pick up one too. If you guys want one of these, look for a link in the description below or in the first comment. There'll be a link for you to go pick up one of these off of Amazon. And I will be doing a updated review after I use these quite a few times, just to make sure they stand up the test of time. They're durable, they don't get rounded out, they don't break or anything like that. I'll let you know in a further or a video that's coming out soon. So make sure you check out Scotty's Hobbies video library, like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.